Now we connect the ATX 24-pin power supply to the motherboard. Then we connect the ATX 4-pin processor power supply to the motherboard. Next, we turn on the power. The fan starts up, the power on check fails due to no memory, and the beep keeps ringing, and nothing is displayed. To check memory compatibility, we usually use 2 different brands and capacities of memory. Now we turn on the power and we can see the processor fan spinning. But the keyboard and monitor are unresponsive. This is because the motherboard is doing a self-check for the first boot, usually this time will be half a minute to a minute. We did not edit this process, in order to ensure the real situation. Thanks for being patient. After a while, we can see the keyboard number light is on. Then, the AMI BIOS interface appears on the display. We used 16 GB and 4 GB and finally it shows 20 GB. Then we use SATA SSD to connect all the SATA ports. Make sure all SATA cables and power cables are plugged in. All 6 SATA interfaces are fully connected, now we start the machine. After turning on the power and waiting for a while, we can see the number lights on the keyboard light up. At this point, we press the delete button continuously, and the machine will enter the BIOS interface. We can move to the top chipset column. In PCHIO list, we can find the SATA configuration. We can see that the motherboard only recognizes up to 3 SATA SSDs. This is because the remaining SATA interface is allocated through the PCIe channel of the processor, so it will not appear on the BIOS interface. This is normal. Next, we enter the System Disk Manager to check whether it can be recognized. We can see in Disk Manager that all 6 SATA SSDs have been recognized. Six SATA hard drives are connected to the motherboard through SATA cables and powered by the power adapter. We can see that access is recognized in the system. Thank you for watching. I hope it can be helpful to you.